When it comes time for you to replace the injectors in your truck, don't wonder about the quality of the remanufactured injectors for your Duramax. The XDP Remanufactured LML fuel injector with bolt is an OE-style replacement designed for your 2011 to 2016 GM 6.6-liter Duramax. Our injectors are function tested to ensure each injector meets OE specifications, as well as tested for delivery, leakage, and opening characteristics to ensure you're getting the highest quality remanufactured injector. Every injector includes a replacement hold-down bolt, so you have everything you need to get the job done right out of the box. To find out more about the XDP Remanufactured LML fuel injector, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.